In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to forward Outlook email to another email address, whether you just want to forward a single message or automatically forward all incoming emails. This is extremely useful if you're changing jobs, managing multiple inboxes, or simply want to make sure you never miss an important message. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so even if you're new to Outlook, you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, up-to-date software guides. First, let's look at how to forward an individual email in Outlook. This is perfect when you only need to share one specific message with someone else. Open Outlook and go to your inbox. Then click on the email you want to forward so it opens fully. In the top right corner of the message, you'll see the forward arrow. Click on that, and Outlook will open a new message window with the original email attached below. You can also right-click on the email from your inbox list and select Forward from the menu, which does the exact same thing. Once the forwarded email window is open, simply enter the recipient's email address in the To field, just like you would with a normal email. You can edit the subject line if needed, and you can also add your own message above the forwarded content to give some context. When you're ready, click Send, and that email will be forwarded immediately. That's all there is to manually forwarding an email in Outlook. It's quick, simple, and works the same way across most versions of Outlook. Now let's move on to how to automatically forward Outlook emails to another email address. This option is great if you want every incoming message to be sent to a different inbox without doing anything manually. To start, look at the top right corner of Outlook and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the Settings menu, choose Mail, and then select Forwarding. On the forwarding page, turn on the option to enable forwarding. Next, enter the destination email address where you want your Outlook emails to be sent. If you want to keep a copy of forwarded emails in your Outlook inbox, make sure to check the option that says Keep a copy of forwarded messages. This is helpful if you still want access to your emails in Outlook while also receiving them somewhere else. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. From this point on, all new incoming emails will automatically be forwarded to the address you entered. You can come back to the same menu at any time to turn forwarding off or change the destination email. And that's how you forward Outlook email to another email, both manually and automatically. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to set up and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Outlook and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.